Good morning, everyone. Friday. We made it to Friday, April 17th. This is Friday, right? I think it is. It is. Let me see. We have 13 orders going out. We finished yesterday 169, so double. Damn near double. What we did the other day. My replacement hasn't thrown it in the mail yet. And let me see. We have 13 orders. 177 going out. So let's start pulling. How's everybody's overnight orders? And I know I'm looking at it a very micro scale, daily, month over month. How am I doing month over month? Let me look at this. Pull this card first, and then we'll look at month over month. Probably in line with where it's been, maybe a little less. Weekly, it'll be down. Philippines. I think that's. Let me see. Where is it? Got this at York. Couple bucks if I remember right. If I find it. Yeah. Okay, what'd that go for? 20 bucks. Yeah, I don't have anything to talk about. I did that little reel yesterday about going to Goodwill. I don't know how y'all do it. I don't know if I have any Goodwill people Goodwill, people who go to Goodwill and buy stuff. Watching, probably not, but oof, that'd be tough. Let me see real quick. I'm up 8.1% for the month. So that's not bad. So far that's off by almost half, right? But yeah, man. It was just on a whim. I had to go get after the post office. I went to get my truck washed because all the green stuff all over the place. I like a clean truck. And while I was over there, I was like, well, I'll go get my Dunkins, which has become daily. I need to stop that. I really need to stop that. But I was like, oh, there's a Goodwill. I've never been in this Goodwill. I was like, oh, let me go take a look. Let me film a little funniness. And yeah, I mean, I think I picked. I always say I think I picked up that Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtles thing, and there's no price on it. And I was like, yeah, I could easily fit several thousand postcards in the same area that this would take up on a shelf, and who knows how much. Except there were no prices on it, which is weird. And unless they had like a sign I missed set, maybe all betting is $10. I don't know, but it's like a lot of glassware, and prices just seem to be high on everything. It would just be tough to, go there to make a living. I just don't know how y'all do it. I mean, I used to go and buy stuff all the time. Oh, I made decent money at it, but yeah, it just took up so much room. I do go in and check the books just in case there's something I want to read. I mean, it's good for that. They're still only a couple bucks, I think, $2.99 maybe. Bethany Beach. So anyway, I thought it was funny. So several did not. Maybe I hit. Maybe they're just upset because they know I'm right. I don't know. Whatever. I'm really not trying to change minds. I'm just kind of proving my point about postcards. Okay. So let me see. Yeah, so no video until again Wednesday. I need to do a lot of stuff around the house. That pool's giving me little fits. After 4 or 5 gallons of pool bleach, I put that in the wrong place. It usually clears up. But man, it's staying cloudy, so I got to work on that today. Mowed the front yard yesterday. I was a busy little beaver. Started sorting the Continental cards, and that's slow going. I just wasn't into doing like eBay stuff yesterday. I still did it. I just didn't do what I normally do, and which is fine. Got to take a break sometime. And this card is from the 2022 York show. And paid 80 cents for it, average. So Coney Island, I have 2 of those. If an 80-cent average, I may have paid $1 for this card. Or it could have been in a quarter box. Not sure. It says 3 on it. Nah, I don't think so. I would not have paid $3 for that. No. Quarter or $1. Maine. Jersey, Wildwood. But anyway, yeah, back to Goodwill. There were several people, and I just kind of get the flipper reseller vibe from them, and it was just a gut feeling of these people, and every one of them, 3 or 4, they all left right around the same, either right before me or behind me, and none of them had bags. They didn't buy a thing. And I don't know, like I said, it was my first time in that Goodwill, and maybe some days in Goodwill are better than others, I don't know. But yeah, none of them had anything in their hands. Disappointed. And I don't go to yard sales. I need to start going to flea markets. There are several around here on the weekends, but I just don't go to those because I have other avenues right now that I get decent stuff. TV, man, they're all on the bottom today. Oswego, New York Harbor, going out. So yeah, yesterday was a nice little recovery. AP thing. Don't have a nice pack of these. I don't know how many I left. 22 of these. They have to go with a stamp and a prayer, though. But I haven't had an issue. What I'll do with these, I'll sandwich them between. Everybody gets one of my calling card type of things, and then this one I'll include a card stay. It just helps protect a little bit more. Not much. So instead of the thickness of a cereal box, there's 2 cereal boxes now. That over there, and I got my little Popeye stamp. There we go. Let that one dry. Those are always wet, and of course my regular stamps are upstairs, so I have to remember to stamp that one. Okay, what do we got next? AC 31. So anybody have any buys coming up? Curious if you have anything lined up, or you just kind of go willy-nilly and hope you find something. I'm picking up, I got to call them today, because Let's Go Pens. They play their first game against the Philadelphia Flyers, and I'm sorry if you're from Philadelphia and you're watching me. I'll never ever like the Flyers. And my wife likes the Flyers, so it's going to be interesting in this household over the next couple weeks. Which I'll say right now, I bet Pittsburgh loses. That would just be my luck. But anyway, I don't know where I was going with that. Let's go. Let's go. I almost said let's go Flyers. No, never. Oh, I got to call the guy with the Postcards. So I'm going to the game. If they're playing their first game Saturday, and this is what I kind of thought out, that the second game would be Monday. And I'll have to check and make sure that's when it is. So I'll either go pick them up Monday morning because I'll be in Pittsburgh Sunday night, or I'll pick them up Tuesday on the way out of town. I just got to call him and get that figured out. But I'll go up Sunday and visit my mother and hit his antique booth. And so cherry pick some of his stuff for the tax man, show that I justify that trip. And I may, if anybody's from the Pittsburgh area, any antique mall, because I have some time to kill Monday before the game, any good antique malls in and around Pittsburgh. I've done a cursory look, but nothing really stuck out. Maybe the Buccos are playing like a afternoon game. I could hit a Buccos game and a Penguins game. I'm not a big baseball fan. I think I've mentioned this before. I gave up watching the Pirates. Sid Bream, Atlanta Braves. Big old Sid Bream chugging around the bases on a hit. Anyway, I don't know when was that. That was in 92 or 93. But anyway, yeah, and I gave up on them. So I think this is it. I got to put my store on time away, too. I know I'm rambling about absolutely nothing today for 12, 13 minutes. Went over to Postcard shows yesterday. I can do that again for you. Yeah, I'll do a quick refresh. See if anything else. Nothing else has come in. I do have one Etsy order. Someone bought one card stay. So these are the Postcard shows coming up. There's one going on right now in Michigan and Florida this weekend, Washington this weekend, Socrates this weekend, and all these ones. So get to a Postcard show. Whatnot, I don't think this is going to happen. Tuesday at 8 o'clock. I don't know. I just depends on when I get out of Pittsburgh area and how well I feel. I probably getting home. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. And then May 1st is a giveaway show. So I think that's it. Everybody, I hope you have a great weekend. And I'll see you back here on Wednesday. Since I won't be around Tuesday, go to Lonnie and Ryan's podcast. Everybody knows Lonnie from Shed Flips, and Ryan, he doesn't do much reseller content anymore. He was on Thrift Mine. I couldn't remember. It always slips my mind. Anyway, I was interviewed by them for their podcast the other day, and I like it. No drama, just talking. I love to talk. So that'll come out, I believe, on Tuesday. I won't be around, or I'll be traveling back, so I won't be able to immediately respond to any comments, if there are any directed toward me. But yeah, watch me if you want. 2 hours of me next Tuesday. So everybody, thank you very much, and we'll see you Wednesday. Okay, bye.